चुनावी व्यवस्था में विकसित की है और मैं मानता हूं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन इसके लिए बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन का अधिकारी है। आप सब मीडिया के मित्र तो अब भारत में 900 से ज्यादा टीवी चैनल्स हैं, 5000 से ज्यादा दैनिक अखबार निकलते हैं और वो तो पूरी तरह चुनाव के रंग में रंग जाते हैं और इसलिए हर एक का प्रयास और यही मंथन है जो लोकतंत्र को भी मजबूत करता है और देश को भी मजबूत सरकार देता है। तो मैं इसमें योगदान देने वाले एक लोकतंत्र के महायज्ञ में जो भी जितनी आहुति दे रहा है सब अभिनंदन के अधिकारी हैं।
Well, the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge also, along with his wife, cast their votes in Kalaburgi. The Congress President appealed to voters to come out in large numbers and exercise their right to vote.
People should go to the polling booth and vote. That is, in democracy, if you don't use your vote, it has no value.
And let's go across now to our correspondents who are on the field and get an idea of what's happening. Meghna Dev is joining us from Ahmedabad in Gujarat. Aisha Khanam is joining us from Hubli in Karnataka. And Amritpal Singh is joining us from Sambal in Uttar Pradesh. Meghna, let me start with you. How brisk has the polling been in Gujarat so far? We saw the Prime Minister cast his vote and he set an example for others. What's the enthusiasm like?
Well, earlier in the first half today, we did see a number of people who had come to vote, especially senior citizens did want to come in the first half itself, and they did cast their vote. Also youngsters, because now we are seeing a little less footfall at the polling stations because obviously it's really hot outside here in Ahmedabad, and but definitely there was a lot of crowd at polling stations, at polling booths when we did see earlier in the morning. But when we actually see it's 37.8% voter turnout approximately in Gujarat all over. But what we also see importantly, as I had earlier also said, that the tribal areas and the rural areas of Gujarat record more voter turnout, and that's the case even this time around. Ahmedabad, while it is recording around 32, Ahmedabad East and West, there are two Lok Sabha seats in Ahmedabad. Both of them are recording somewhere around 32 to 33% voter turnout. But areas like Bharuch are recording over 40%. Banaskantha is leading in Gujarat with the maximum voter turnout around 45.8%. So that's a huge number till 1 p.m. So while we are also expecting that after 3 p.m. People will start coming in large numbers. We are joined by some voters here who will you will speak to them. How has been your experience here? You have come to vote. Is it your first time?
Yeah, this is my first time I'm voting, and of course मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि it's not about what you think to vote. It's everybody's right. Nothing else matters. Everybody should vote, and as a youth, I am sending this message to every youth that you should come out of your house. Keep aside your mobile phones and please come to vote.
So definitely you hear it from a first-time voter who is very enthusiastic, she has just cast her vote here, and definitely also arrangements have been put in place. Like you see just behind me, just above me, there is a tent that has been built here. The tent has been set up so that people do not have to stand in direct sunlight. There is also parking facility available at multiple places. We see water wheelchairs also available here, water facilities also here. Water facility has also been provided. So obviously air coolers have also been provided here. So a few facilities so that the voters do not, and also waiting areas, chairs and everything has been provided at a number of places. And we have been going to a number of polling stations where we are seeing that all these facilities have been put in place so that so that it's a smooth process and a comfortable process for the voters.
Right. Let's go across now to Aisha, and Aisha is joining us from Hubli in Karnataka. Aisha, any innovative measures